Introducing the LaserNet 200 series by Spectro Scientific. The LaserNet 200 series is a comprehensive particle analyzer for lubricant and fuel testing that complies with ASTM D6786. In commercial laboratories, power generation plants, and industrial facilities, the LaserNet 200 series offers unrivaled functionality for contamination control and condition-based maintenance programs. It utilizes patented LaserNet finds technology using a high-speed CCD camera to capture particles flowing through the flow cell. It counts and sizes particles in oil and fuel, automatically classifies particles' shapes, and analyzes ferrous particles by size and distribution, as well as calculates total parts per million concentration by weight. The LaserNet finds technology was originally developed by Naval Research Laboratory and Lockheed Martin, then further developed by Spectro Scientific. It features an infrared optical imaging system with a powerful infrared laser to see through dark engine oils, a high-speed digital camera with image capturing software capable of analyzing images at 100 frames per second, and a flow cell with a 100-micron path length. The entire system is capable of measuring very clean hydraulics at less than 1 particle per milliliter to very dirty engine oils at 10 million particles per milliliter without any dilution. Full particle size distribution, ISO codes, NAS codes, and other commonly used particle counting codes can be reported. A very unique feature of the LaserNet finds technology is the artificial intelligence that automatically classifies the particles larger than 20 microns into different wear categories based on the particle shape. The wear particles can be classified into sliding wear, cutting fatigue wear, and non-metallic particles such as sand and dirt. The quantity of each class then can be trended to predict failure. Furthermore, 2 sets of magnetic coils are introduced into the flow line, and ferrous particles can be measured at the same time that they are being counted and classified. A small set of magnetic coils is used to count the number of large ferrous particles and size them. A set of large coils measures the total ferrous content in parts per million. The coils are so sensitive that less than 10 ppm of ferrous particles can be detected accurately. The oil sample is drawn up the sipper tube with a pump and pumped through a filter to remove large particulates, and enters the first portion of the ferrous monitor, the magnetometer that measures the ferrous particle count. Then, the sample enters the flow cell, which uses a laser light and CCD detector to image each individual particle. This provides particle count and ISO codes. The LaserNet is able to classify wear in categories such as fatigue, sliding, cutting, non-metallic, and fibers. Finally, the sample enters the second magnetometer, which measures total ferrous content in ppm. The overall process takes several minutes depending on the cleanliness of the sample and total sample volume used. Only a few milliliters of oil is required. After each measurement, the system can be flushed and cleaned with electron 22 or other approved solvents. The camera shows live images of particles flowing through the flow cell. This is a great tool for users to debug potential flow line problems such as leakage, water contamination, or stuck particles. The LaserNet 200 series consists of 4 models. The LaserNet 210, which is an oil particle counter, the LaserNet 215, which adds a ferrous particle analyzer, the LaserNet 220, which includes a wear classifier, and the LaserNet 230, which has both the wear classifier and ferrous particle analyzer. Options for the LaserNet 200 series include a SkyDraw kit and auto-sampling processor called ASP. The SkyDraw kit is a factory-installed tubing and fitting kit with materials compatible with phosphate ester fire-resistant fluids such as SkyDraw or Frikwell, commonly used in power plants and commercial aviation. The auto-sampling processor automatically stirs, measures, and cleans up to 24 samples without human intervention, ideal for high-volume commercial or central laboratories. The unique flow cell and laser imaging optics system enable a wide particle counting range, as well as the ability to analyze very dirty oils with soot content up to 2%. It can test oils with viscosities up to 320 centistokes without dilution, distinguish silica and fibers from wear particles, and calculate free water in ppm. The LaserNet 200 series is the ideal particle analyzer for a wide range of applications, including lubricant and hydraulic oil contamination control, fuel quality control, as well as machine wear analysis for condition-based maintenance. The LaserNet 230 is also a critical component for the MiniLab 53 and 153, an on-site oil analysis system. The LaserNet 200 series from Spectro Scientific. Confidence in knowing.